Okay, so if you look at this coming week, let me change my view to student again. Okay, and if you scroll down to this week, this is our Moodle site. If you scroll down to the 22nd through the 28th, you'll see at the bottom that you've got to do writing assignment 1 again, and it tells you to click on the alarm clock in My Language Labs and find writing assignment 1. You look at the comments I've made and use the symbol sheet posted in this week to fix writing assignment 1. Well, here's your symbol sheet. And it'll show you what my symbols mean. And then what you're going to want to do is look at, where is it? So you go into My Language Labs and you pull up your paper, and let me go back to that symbol sheet. Pretty much means I corrected things in your papers, but a lot of times I don't like to tell you, fix it for you. I want you to fix it for yourselves. So I've used symbols, like I might use DEFART. That means you need a definite article, maybe in lieu of an indefinite article, or you never had one to begin with. And then I've given you the page number where you can find that definite article. Or demonstrative adjective, maybe you're using the wrong demonstrative adjective. This is the symbol that you would see, and that's the page number to which you would refer. So then if you go out here to our week, here's writing test 1. Actually, let me go to student view. Okay. So here's your student view. If you go on to the 25th and you click on the box, your writing test 1 is up at the top, and you can click on it. Wait a minute. You can view submissions. If you click view submission, if you had a submission, which I don't because I didn't do it, you would be able to click it. It would show up here, and you could see the symbols that I've made, or the writing that I did. So you would want to look at that, make your changes, and then you would click on it. So you go to the arrow, you pull down view submissions to look at the old submission, and then when you're ready to put in your fixed draft, you hit writing test 1 and click start and do it. Okay, so here's what when you click on view submission, this is what your submission should look like now. This is an example from a 111 class, so it's not as complicated as what you guys were writing, but you can see how I put an F here and made some changes, crossed some things out, and so these are the things that student would need. Most of his or her problem was agreement, making sure that everything matched the subject, because if it's Elia, who's small and ugly, then pequeño needs to be pequeña, and feo needs to be fea, and she has a sister, it needs to be una. So anyway, that's what you'll see though, is markings, and you'll want to look at those markings and then rewrite your paragraph in your second attempt. So hopefully that makes sense what I want you guys to do.